Exercise 4A, question number 6. If A minus B equal to 4 and A plus B equal to 6, then find A square plus B square. Then the second question, find AB. So A minus B given, A plus B given. So we know that A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. But here we have to find A square plus B square. So what to do? What you will get if you do A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square? What you will get? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A square plus B square minus 2AB. So plus 2AB minus 2AB get cancelled. You will get 2 into A square plus B square. So if you divide by 2, you will get A square plus B square alone. So A minus B is 4 here. So A plus B 6 here. Up A plus B whole square will be 6 square. So 6 square plus 4 square, you will get what? 2 into A square plus B square. So here 36 plus 16 is equal to 2 into A square plus B square. So 36 plus 16, 52 equal to 2 into A square plus B square. So what will be A square plus B square? 52 by 2, which is equal to 26. So A square plus B square we got. The answer is 26. Next AB we have to do. So there what we will do? A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. What you will get? A square plus B square plus 2AB minus of A square, or you put bracket A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now opening the bracket, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square minus B square plus 2AB. So plus and minus get cancelled. You will get 4AB. We want AB only, so we can divide by 4. So A plus B 6 square minus 4 square will give you 4AB. So 36 minus 16 is equal to 4AB. 20 equal to 4AB. So what is AB? 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. Clear? So AB equal to 5. Now, question number 7. What is given? If A plus 1 by A equal to 6 and A not equal to 0, because denominator cannot be 0, no? That's why they are given that condition. Find a minus 1 by a, and the second question, a square minus 1 by a square. So a plus 1 by a given, from that we have to find a minus 1 by a. Now we know that a plus 1 by a whole square is what? A plus 1 by a whole square is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. And a minus 1 by a whole square will be what? A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So to make this plus 2 to minus 2, what we have to do? We just have to subtract 4, right? If you subtract 4 from this, it will become a square plus 1 by a square minus 2, which is a minus 1 by a whole square, right? So what we can write? A minus 1 by a the whole square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 4. Then find the square root. So a plus 1 by a 6. So here 6 square minus 4, which is equal to 36 minus 4. So a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 32 we are getting. So it's not a perfect square. So that can be, we can't expect or every time the perfect square answer, we cannot expect. So, okay, so just check if there is any mistake is there. No, a minus 1 by a whole square equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 4. So 6 square minus 4, 36 minus 4, 32. Yeah. So a minus 1 by a will be what? Root of 32. It will be root of 32. Now, next question is a square minus 1 by a square. So this 32 you can simplify further. How? The first chapter we have learned that no, irrational number how to bring to lowest form. 32 you can write as 16 into 2, where 16 is a perfect square. And what is square root of 16? 4. So that you can take out. So this will be 4 root 2. And the problem is a minus 1 by a whole square, and we are getting a minus 1 by a by square root. So square root can be plus or minus, because square always positive, no? So plus or minus value we have to take. So here also you have to put plus or minus should be there. Plus or minus 4 root 2. This is a minus 1 by a. Clear? So we got the answer here. Plus or minus 4 root 2. Now a square minus 1 by a square, how to find? We know that a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So similarly, a square minus 1 by a square will be a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a, right? Both answer we know. A plus 1 by a given, a minus 1 by a we found now. So 6 into plus or minus 4 root 2. So we can put plus or minus 4 root 2. So 6 into 4 is 24. So plus or minus 24 root 2. This is the answer. Clear? Next question number 8. If a minus 1 by a equal to 8, where a not equal to 0, find question 1, a plus 1 by a, and the second one, a square minus 1 by a square. So, a plus 1 by a we have to find from a minus 1 by a. So, like the last one, I am directly writing a plus 1 by a whole square will be what? If you find a minus 1 by a whole square, what you will get? A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. With that minus 2, if you add 4, it will become plus 2, no? That we want for a plus 1 by a whole square. So with a minus 1 by a whole square, if you add 4, it will become a plus 1 by a whole square. Clear? Okay. So a minus 1 by a given 8. So 8 square plus 4. 64 plus 4, 68. So a plus 1 by a will be what? Plus or minus root of 68. 68, is it possible to write as the product of any square number? It is possible, I think. So let us just prime factorize and check it. 32, which is not. Then 2. No, here 34, no. 34. So 17 here. So that's only possible. So 17 into 4 we can write, right? So which I can write as plus or minus 17 into 4, and the root of 4 is 2. So plus or minus 2 root 17. Plus or minus 2 root 17. So that's all. Now a square minus 1 by a square is what? A plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. That's all. So a plus 1 by a we got now plus or minus 2 root 17 into a minus 1 by a 8. So 8 into 2, 16. So plus or minus 16 root 17. So that is the answer for the 8th one. Next, question number 9. If a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. Because if a becomes 0, no, there is no expression at all. Okay. Find a plus 1 by a second question, a square plus 1 by a square. So first we have to rewrite this equation or expression in a plus 1 by a form. So what you have to do? We need to divide each term of this by a. So let us do that. So a square by a minus 3a by a plus 1 by a, 0 by a is 0 only. So we can put it 0. So here a square by a, 1 a will get cut. So this will become a. Here both the a will get cancelled and here 1 by a. So this will become a minus 3 plus 1 by a 0. Let us arrange them. A plus 1 by a. This minus 3 send other side. So it will become 0 plus 3 which is equal to 3. So we got a plus 1 by a. That's it. Now a square plus 1 by a. So what to do? A plus 1 by a whole square, if you do, what you will get? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. That 2 we don't want. We want only a square plus 1 by a square. So 2 remove. So minus 2. So a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. That plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So you will get only a square plus 1 by a square. So 3 square minus 2. 9 minus 2. 7. Clear? Next also a similar question. Question number 10. If a square minus 5a minus 1 equal to 0, comma, a not equal to 0, find. 3 questions are there. A minus 1 by a, second one, a plus 1 by a, and the third one, a square minus 1 by a square. So 3 parts are there. So first we have to divide each term by a. So the equation becomes a square by a, 5a by a, minus 1 by a, 0 by a is 0 only. Again cancelling a, what we will get? A minus 5 minus 1 by a 0, rearrange. A minus 1 by a, this minus 5 will go other side, 5, that's all. A minus 1 by a we got. Now a plus 1 by a. So how we will find a plus 1 by a from a minus 1 by a? That little work is there. So to get that, the identities help we will take. So a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to what? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. A minus 1 by a whole square is what? A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So minus 2 to become plus 2. So we have to add 4, right? So a minus 1 by a the whole square. With that, if you add 4, so minus 2 plus 4 will become positive 2. So you will get a plus 1 by a whole square. Okay. So 5 square plus 4, which is equal to 25 plus 4, equal to 29. So what will be a plus 1 by a? Plus or minus root 29. 29 we cannot reduce further, so we can put the answer like that. Plus or minus root of 29. Now a square minus 1 by a square is very easy. A plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a plus or minus root 29. A minus 1 by a 5. So multiplying plus or minus 5 root 29. That's the answer. Plus or minus 5 root 20. it is little bit confusing. Other part is very easy. Next, question number 11. If, very important type question, 3x plus 4y equal to 16 and xy equal to 4, find value of 9x square plus 16y square. So this 9 and 16, anything connected with the 3 and 4? Very much connected, right? 9 is 3x whole square is 9x square. 4y whole square is 16y square. Connection is there. So 3x plus 4y, if you take whole square, what you will get? Squaring 9x square plus 16y square plus 2ab part, no? So 2 into 3x into 4y. So you will get 9x square plus 16y square plus 2 into 3 into 4, 24xy. And we want this part. So this 24xy, take the other side. Because 3x plus 4y, you know the value 16. Okay, LHS we can put that. So let us put that. For 3x plus 4y, what I can put? 16 square, no? So 16 square is equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 24 xy value given 4. Put that. So 16 square is 256 equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 24 into 4, 96. Now I want this alone. So 96 take to LHS. So I can write 9x square plus 16y square equal to 256 minus 96, which will give you 160. So the value is 160. Clear? Very important question. Now the last question of this exercise. Question 12. The difference between two positive numbers is 5. Difference between two positive numbers is 5. And sum of their squares is 73. Sum of their squares 73. Find the product of these numbers. Find the product. So let the numbers be A and B. So difference, let us consider A is greater than B. Okay. So A minus B is equal to 5. Then sum of squares. That means A square plus B square is equal to 73. And we have to find product AB, we have to find. So we can connect them now. Here A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. In this we want to find this AB. All other we know. So we can substitute. Clear? So let us put A minus B 5. So 5 square equal to A square plus B square is 73. So substitute 73 there. Minus 2AB. Okay. So 25 equal to 73 minus 2AB. Now you write AB we have to find no. So that term let us write in the change the side and write like this. Or okay, so here it is minus 2AB. We make it positive. How? That minus 2AB you bring to LHS. And this 25 you send to RHS. Clear? Minus 2AB bring to LHS. So minus 2AB when you bring to LHS, it will become positive 2AB, right? Yeah. Equal to 73. This 25 let us send to other side. So 25. So 2AB equal to 48. So AB equal to 48 by 2, 24. That's all. The product of numbers is 24. So this exercise is over. Do it. Thank you.